In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Call Recording Pro with your Universe communication system. Call Recording Pro allows you to record all inbound and outbound calls of the designated users in your company. It is an additional feature that allows you to record internal and external calls made on fixed, mobile and soft phones. When you purchase Call Recording Pro for your company, you sign up for your recordings to be kept on the server for a set period of time. You choose from 30 days, 90 days, a year, or 7 years. It works like this. You receive an email on the 15th of the final month advising you that some of your call recordings are about to be removed from the server. You then have until the first day of the next month before these recordings are deleted. You've got the option of downloading them onto your computer or contacting your account manager to extend your storage period. I'll show you how to download the recorded calls later on in the video. Provided you have administrative rights, to manage your call recording, log into the Self-Care portal at selfcare.thisisuniverse.io. Switch to Administrator View. Here at the top you'll see the call recording icon. Click on this to go to the call recording dashboard where you listen to, delete, download and manage your call recordings. If your company has purchased a Call Recording Pro subscription, you can activate and disable this facility by going to Company Settings, press Disable and then Confirm to disable call recording for the company. To reactivate the feature, simply press Activate. User Settings is where you activate and disable call recording for an individual user. I want to remove call recording from Tony. I type his name in the search bar, then slide the Is Recording button to Off. Slide the button to On to activate the feature. To review your recorded calls, select Call Recordings on the left-hand side. Here you will see a complete list of your company recordings, including the recordings from your IVRs in your contact centre. You can search for a particular recording by searching in a time period using From and To, searching for calls to and from a particular number, or a combination of these parameters. I want to search for calls to and from a specific number between the 2nd of January and the 17th of January. So I need to add my dates into the to and from fields. I then need to type the number into the search field, ensuring that I use the format 44 without the plus or leading zeros. And here you can see that there are 3 recorded calls within these parameters. You can listen to an individual recording by clicking on Listen and then pressing Play. There's also the option to click on the individual recording and download or delete it. The download function allows you to have a local copy on your computer, which is useful for training purposes. I'm going to download all the calls that are about to be removed from the server. I type the 1st of November 23 in the From field followed by today's date in the To field. I then select all and press the green Download Selection button. Click Download Selection once more, and you have the option to download in mono, stereo or both. Next, go to Download Links. You will see the combined files of your recordings here ready to be downloaded to your Downloads folder. The files will also be sent to you by email. You have three options when selecting recordings to be downloaded or deleted. You can use Select All, you can select individual recordings, or if you've chosen Select All, you can remove individual call recordings by deselecting them. The calls that have been removed from your selection will not be included in the download or deletion. I want to delete all the recordings other than Tony's. First I select all, then I go onto Tony's recordings and deselect them. You'll be asked to confirm and shown the number of deletions, which is handy if you're deleting several recordings that are not listed consecutively. Once a recording has been deleted, it can't be recovered by yourself or by Firstcom, so please be certain before you confirm the deletion. For more how-to videos, user guides and other useful information, please visit the resources page on our website. Thank you for watching.